What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Alright, what up, everyone? What up, Alan and Angel? I think they're bots, but what up? What up, bots, and what up, 1010?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
And Koya and Eddie, what's up, guys? What up, everyone? Eddie says, what's up, AKR Arco tank already. Yeah, so this is how you know it's getting manipulated. I don't want to be, you know, one of the dumb apes screaming manipulation. But, like I said, offering is coming, right? Breaking news, offering, they just announced an offering. $175 million stock offering, and the stock is going up. What sense does that make? So, yes, there's definitely something shady going on here. It seems like a hedge fund. Probably H.C. Wainwright. They're usually the ones involved with shady stuff like this. They're probably going to be the underwriters, and they're probably pegging it at 29 to 30. They're going to sell all the offering. They're going to sell the 175 million, and then let it tank. So, you know, I knew an offering was coming. And usually, you know, when an offering comes, the stock goes absolutely BitConnect. It tanks, but it's holding up pretty well here. So, absolutely no sense. Something shady going on here for sure. But yeah, you know, I'm not going anywhere. This will go down, but you may have to hold for a few days, honestly, the way it's going. But yeah, you know, not the greatest experience, your first experience, shorting. But this is how it goes, you know? It's coming down a little bit now. But yeah, this is how it goes when you short, you know? Crazy swings, and you gotta have a good amount of risk tolerance. Okay, bloodbath today, yeah. Absolute big bloodbath. Everything going down. Stock market, crypto, everything super good. Super BitConnect.
Good.
And what up, Zach? What's up? All kinds of price action gaps everywhere? On what? Everything? Well, we're going to look at SPY and Bitcoin today. Alright, guys. So thanks, everyone, for being here. Please smash the like button. Oh, and hey, we finally broke 1170. We're at 1180 now. It took a whole month to get 10 subs, but we finally broke the critical resistance there at 1170. So, I definitely think it's because of the shorts. The shorts getting a lot of views. On TikTok, especially. On TikTok, I got like 400 views on my shorts already. I'm like, damn. TikTok's popular, huh? And even on YouTube, the YouTube shorts, they got like 50 views each. So, yeah, I got to make a short video later. And I'm down a couple $100 today. But yeah, I got to do it later. I just watched an ad. Nice. You should have. There's been ads, though, ever since I got monetized. That's weird. You never had them since now. It's a good thing, then. I'm willing to short another 50 shares if it hits 40. Hold up, dude. I don't think it's going to hit 40. But, you know. It's not a bad plan, but, you know, I think you should learn how to short first. You know, just wet your feet and slowly ease into it instead of, like, jumping in, you know, head first like that. But yeah, I don't think it's going to 40. It really shouldn't. But if it does, you know something shady's going on. I mean, it already is. I was just watching the price action all day, and it was just pegged to like 27, 28, 29. The way the price action was, it just was not natural. There's definitely something shady going on here. And yeah, like I said, during an offering, they announced an offering, the stock's going up. That makes absolutely no sense. So I have no doubt it's coming down. Just a matter of when, not if. And you have to have a risk plan. I know it's going down, but if it doesn't, I'm cutting at fill the blank. Yeah, so you have to have an entry and an exit for sure. That's with every trade, you know. Every trade, you need an entry and an exit. So same thing for shorting, yes. When subs MOAS, I don't know. But we did break some critical resistance there, so that's a good sign. And like I said, the the YouTube Shorts and the TikTok is helping out a lot. So I don't know. Maybe soon we'll get a lot of subs here, or when the bull market comes back. Because the reason why we haven't been getting subs is it's been so bearish and retail is nowhere to be found in the bear market. Can you do Weber and Apron? Sure, dude. But you ask me that every day, and it's pretty much the same. But sure, we'll look at that real quick. No way it's going up. Delete. MF delete. Logically, yeah, you know, it shouldn't go up, but definitely some hedge fund shady stuff going on there. It should go down after they're done with the offering. So let's look here at the news and see how this offering is going. Because I see that there is offering, but I haven't read what the offering is yet. What stock are we talking about? What offering? Oh, we're talking about AKRO. I guess you weren't on Discord earlier, but yeah. Currently, me and Eddie are short AKRO. I'm pretty deep in the red here, and he's a little bit in the red. So, yeah, some manipulation going on there. All right, guys. So today is Tuesday, September 13th, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. And today we're doing the show from Ramenistan. That is because everything super good today. Bloodbath. Everything. Stock market, crypto. Nasty day. That's because of bad CPI numbers. It wasn't even bad. It was just everyone swore that it was going to go down. And it didn't even go up that much. It went up like, what, 0.1%? Which isn't that bad. But, you know, nobody really expected that. So, big surprise there. And that's why that's why the market's down so much today. So yeah, Ramenistan, and even as a bear, well, me at least, you know, I lost money today. So yeah, it's pretty rough today. So I hope it wasn't too bad for you guys. But regardless, the show must go on, and yeah, I got a great show for you guys today. So today's gonna be really short and chill, because as you can see from the title, I put SPY in Bitcoin, but I don't think we're gonna do a full TA. We can look at the charts real quick. Usually I would do a full TA, but I tend to notice whenever I talk about SPY and Bitcoin, it doesn't get many views. It gets like 20 or 30 views and really no subs. So, you know, it's no point in like spending 3 hours editing for nothing. So, yeah, I know better now. So, there's going to be no video tonight. There's going to be a short video of me telling the world how I lost money today. But no TA video today. So, no real TA. We can briefly look at those at SPY and Bitcoin and anything else you guys want me to look at. But yeah, no TA video, no long video tonight. And yeah, so today should be pretty short. We're only gonna do what we got here. We're only gonna do the stock market and crypto reviews with a few articles. I think 4 articles. 3 about inflation, 1 about Twitter, and 1 crypto article. I think it was BitGo is in a lawsuit right now. So yeah, market review, articles. We'll quickly talk about SPY, Bitcoin, look at them, not do a full TA, and anything else you guys want me to look at. And then we'll get to the Yolos. And Yolos weren't even that good today. Not too many Yolos. I think there's I pulled like 6 or 7 of them. There's not even that many Yolos. So yeah, we really shouldn't. Today's show really shouldn't go that long. Maybe hour and a half. I don't think we should go more than hour and a half. So, yeah, super good day, but, you know, we're just chilling today. Very relaxed. All right, what up, Francisco, and what up, Francisco, what up, Low Roller, and what up, When? You didn't change your name? You should change it to When My Wife Is Leaving. What up, guys? And forgive me because I just updated OBS, and it's like the whole UI, the whole format is different. So I'm still getting used to this. But what's up, guys?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Convinced her to stay? Yeah, but she's probably gonna see her boyfriend behind your back every day. No, I'm kidding, dude. Alright, guys. So thanks everyone for being here. Please smash that like button. and let's get started. All right. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. The Kroger guy's winning against you. He got more viewers. I mean, cool, bro. You know what? I got more money than him, so really don't care. Yeah, she came back after a few hours at her boyfriend's. I convinced her to stay. Alright, give that the laugh. Where's... Yeah. My memes are all over the place because of OBS, but here we go. Alright, hitting a little lag here. Alright, so first of all, let's look at this article here. Alright, so, yes. Commenced the underwritten public offering 175 million shares. With a 30-day option to pick up another 26.25 million. And it says there's no assurance as to whether or when the offering may be completed, or is the actual size or terms of the offering. So it's still so this is still very early news. But they're going to do 175 million and no timetable. So that means eventually the stock is going to come back down. Eventually, at some point. But yeah, very, very suspicious. You know, this is definitely being held up. This is what they tend to do. They're going to artificially peg, it looks like at 29 or 30 here. They're going to do the offering at 29 or 30. And then once they're done raising their 175 million, then they're going to dump it. I've seen this over and over again. You know, shady hedge fund stuff. But that's part of the game. And, you know, yes, obviously it is rigged, but it's part of the game and, you know, just got to play it. So, yep. But it shouldn't, I don't think it's going to take that long. It should be done within a week, I think. Okay, so yeah. Wrecked here today on AKRO. And also, I'm trying to get into CMRA right now, but they're not giving me the shares. There's no shares for it. Let me update my order here. Okay. How's the short viewers performing? It's doing good. It's just, it's not that YouTube doesn't like me. It's just that it's a bear market, and no one watches investing content when there's a bear market. Alright, so let's actually do a scan real quick. Some live rainbow bearing. Alright, let's go here. Scan. What do we got? Anything happening? I don't see anything. Doesn't seem like anything that crazy is going on in the aftermarket so far. Let me pull up the other scanner. What's it called? Market Chameleon, real quick. 1 second. Markets. And here comes the first. Sorry, another day. All right. All right, what's this? DWIN? Dwin? What is that? Dwin? Insurance acquisition. Interesting. So they're getting listed. I think this is a SPAC. Yeah, I think that's what it is. It's a SPAC. I'm not gonna go for it though, unless this hits. If this hits like, if it's like 15, I'll go for it, but it doesn't look like it. Okay. So what do you guys want me to look at first of all? Oh, Blue Apron, Weber, HYMC. All right, let's look at those real quick. Look at the market. Red again. Yep. Not just red. Total bloodbath. So, yep, that's how it's been going. Not surprised at all. So I hope you guys are okay. All right. Let's do Apron and Weber real quick. See, Apron, again, Koya, full disclosure, I am short this right now, so maybe a little biased. But, so RSI's at 58, so not overbought and overvalued, but still on the higher side there. Still got the gap to fill at 4. It looks like a head and shoulders might be developing here, so that's bearish. MACD is about to cross on the downside, so that's bearish. It looks bearish to me, dude. And I'm not saying that just because I want it to go down. Like, it actually looks pretty bearish. So I think it's coming back down to 4. I think it's going to slow bleed down to 4. Unfortunately. Could be kind of a bull flag, too. Could be a bull flag. Over here. Like this. Very rough sketch. But kind of looks like a head and shoulders developing. And gap down. And, yeah, like I said. MACD looks bearish in the short term to me. So I think it's pulling back down to 4 there. And Weber, so yeah, what did I say last time? Yeah, this looks good long term. 6 would be an excellent entry, but I don't know if it's coming back down there. There's not too many indicators here other than the cup and handle. Yeah, so short term this may come back up to 10, 11, maybe 12, and longer term could come back up to the high here of 18. Wow, it is hot. Probably should not have worn a long sleeve today. So yeah, I hope that answers your question, Koya. Nothing really changed, you know, from last time we talked about it. Wow, AKRO at 29.50 now. So sick. So much manipulation. Alright, HYMC. I tried to short this today. I was trying to get it at 115. Didn't hit. It almost did. But HYMC, so big day here today, but it looks like it's coming back down because it gapped up today here at 82 cents. So probably coming back down to 82 cents in the short term. And just be careful because there is a gap all the way back here at like 41 cents. So I think it's definitely coming back down to 82, possibly 41 in the longer term. But also, it is kind of consolidating here. This looks like some major consolidation. Well, it was more consolidated before, but it looks like we're getting some pretty good consolidation here, like this. Very rough sketch. So that's bullish, actually. But yeah, I think this is coming back down to at least 82. Probably not 41, but definitely 82. Or most likely 82, and looks bullish from there, I would say. Alright. Catch up with some comments. Shorts win again? Not necessarily. Not necessarily. I think everyone's getting wrecked today. Unless you want puts on SPY or something. Today was the first time in a long time I thought we had a legit chance at Circuit Breaker. Circuit Breaker on what? SPY? Today was worst day since June 2020. Is it? I mean, I think it is. Yeah. I don't think I've seen SPY over 4% down this year. So Yeah, it's pretty bad. But Dow Jones also 4%. We'll get to that in a second. But yeah, major go. No, I don't think that we would have those to the downside anytime soon. But then again, who knows for sure? Yeah, nobody knows. It is good plan to keep $140 at home forever and $60 to gamble to play skill game. Look for a bonus tomorrow. All right, sounds like you have a system. Up win money. You got so much in apron. Well, you don't have to hold it, dude. You know, if you can sell it. I mean, I know it's tough if you're like already down, but I'm not gonna lie, dude. It looks bearish, so it would be better to cut now. And I'm not saying you should do this, but you know, if you're scared it's gonna pull back, then maybe you shouldn't hold on to it. You know, I don't really know what your situation is there, but like I said, it looks pretty bearish to me. So if you're scared it's gonna keep going down, then maybe would just want to cut it and move on. But if anything, you know, message me on Discord and we can talk about it more. All right, cool. So we got all that. All right, let's get to the watch list. Again, and I also switched my TD account, so still getting used to a lot of stuff here. I got a new setup. All right. Cool. All right, let's do it. So the Dow Jones down 3.94%. Nasdaq down 5.54%. And the S&P down 4.35%.
And it's gone.
Absolutely disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Like Tencent said, worst day in 2 years here. This was really, really bad. Terrible day. And because of the CPI numbers. But we'll get to that in a second. So the VIX is up 14.24%, up 3.4 points. We're at 27.27 VIX now. Not good. Not good at all. So we're pushing 30. Ouch. Yep, this was really rough today. And crypto didn't do that good as well, but we'll get to that in a second. So yeah, hope you guys didn't get that wrecked today. This was really bad. Okay. We got some people coming in here. What up, Claire? And what up, Tyler?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate everyone, as always. And please smash that like button if you haven't yet. And remember what the overall market is doing well. If the whole market is tanking, what's the chance your stock goes up? Sure, you can be one of those random runners, but is that the most likely? Well, AKRO is running. No, but yeah, Tencent has a point. You know, you may, again, I don't know the situation, but it may be better to cut than to, you know, diamond hands and bag hold. Why Amazon doesn't get to $20 yet? I tried so hard to short Amazon. Careful, dude. I don't really recommend shorting Amazon. I don't recommend shorting blue chip value stocks. But you know, tech's been getting wrecked. Everything's been getting wrecked. Nothing is doing well. So in time. Did anyone catch White House inflation reduction celebration? I did not, but I think Tencent might have seen it, or he mentioned it. Yeah. So it was supposed to be. You know, good CPI numbers, and then yeah. Biden was supposed to brag about, oh, look, inflation's going down. Everything is good. And nope, complete opposite. And plus, you know, we discussed this before, but there is nothing in that bill that reduces any type of inflation. In fact, it just increases inflation with all the money he wants to invest and spend. Stock market wiped out 1.6 trillion today. Yeah, that's nasty. Amazon bankruptcy soon? No, that's never going to happen. They're too big to fail. All right, let's stop talking about the Kroger guy. I really don't care about the Kroger guy. So Tencent saw it. It was really weird and awkward. Market dumped more during the party. Was it actually a party? Wasn't it just a speech? I gotta watch it later. I gotta watch it later. Yeah, reducing costs with subsidies is not reducing inflation. Yeah, so if you read the bill, it's pretty much the Build Back Better Act, or the Build Back broke, but it didn't go through before because Joe Manchin, wouldn't sign off on it. So they disguise it as inflation reduction, but it's really just Build Back Broke 2.0. There's nothing in there that reduces any type of inflation in any way. It's just spending more money. So it just increases inflation. Plus, he wants to forgive everyone's student loans, and he wants to spend more money into a biotech investment. This guy wants to cure cancer now. It's like, with what money, bro? So, yeah, nothing inflation reducing about that. It's all just spending more money. It was a party. There was music and speakers were amped up and cheering big crowds. Really? I gotta watch this later. I gotta watch this later. What up, PZ? What's up? Whose man is this? Who are we talking about? I don't claim him. It was just like a political rally, cheering, smiling. Nobody was... I gotta check it out later. It sounds pretty funny. Alright, cool. So let's get to the watch list here. So start on the green side. Really nothing in the green. There's HYMC. So VIX is 14.24%. When the VIX is that high up on the watch list, it's not a good day. But yeah, there's PHUN, HYMC. That's about it. And some Chinese stocks. Chinese EV stocks here. Li Auto, NIO. Twitter's up today. And that's about it. And Groupon. Nothing in the green. And on the red side, pretty much everything in the red. I thought this was Ford for a second. I did not put that there. Alright, so, not going to spend too much time here, because pretty much everything in the red. But yeah, major price action on the red side. Super bloodbath. We got the growth and memes up here at the top. Peloton, MicroStrategy. Damn, what? Meta went down. Wow, Meta went down 9.4%. Damn, that is sick. Wish down 9.4%. That's gonna push $1 soon. Gonna have to reverse split soon. XCLA 9%. SoFi 9%. Coinbase 9%. Bed Bath & Beyond pulling back 8.7. Spotify 8.4. Netflix, damn, Netflix went down 7.8. Yeah, so it looks like the tech getting wrecked here today. The Nasdaq did go down 5.5%. So that's really bad. That's really bad. Tech is getting wrecked here, and I have Netflix, so that's not good at all. Ouch. What else we got? Amazon 7%. Holy crap. Blue chip stocks do not move like this. This is really bad. Amazon is down 7%. Come on, bro. What the hell? Palantir 6.6. There's Mullen. Mullen's at 54 now. eBay 6%. Google 6%. Apple 6%. What is going on? This is absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. Microsoft 5.5%. Costco 5.4%. Yeah. This is really bad. Ford 5%. There's GME, DraftKings. Yeah, a lot of blue chip value here. Target 4.4. Tesla 4%. Everything getting wrecked. Everything. This is terrible. Yep.
Be connected.
Terrible, terrible day. So yeah, everything in the red here. Absolute bloodbath. Growth getting wrecked. Value really getting wrecked, especially tech. I've never seen Amazon go down 7%, and Google and Apple. That is absolutely crazy. So yeah, I hope you guys are okay. This was really bad, and it's probably not done just yet because we're gonna get a hike soon. It's either gonna be 0.75 or 1%. So it's not looking good in the short term. Be careful, guys. Be prepared. Okay. Ken Starr passed away today. Ken Starr was the Clinton investigation lawyer. The Bill Clinton. That was like when I was a little kid, so little before my time. But RIP to him. SoFi down again. Good. Who shorted the whole market? Yeah, Tencent shorted the whole market. Yeah, puts on what? QQQ? Puts on something. Yeah, the bears who bought puts and like QQQ, all that stuff. Really printing today. People are finally dealing with the reality of what higher rates means for tech companies. Yeah, this was really bad today. And I don't think I've ever seen the NASDAQ down over 5%. Very few times. Yeah, this is definitely terrible, terrible day. Okay. Cool. So, yeah, that's the stock market. Absolute bloodbath. Hope you guys are okay. Hope it wasn't too bad. Let's move on to some crypto. Actually, let's do a quick scan. See if anything's going on aftermarket. Live rainbow bearing for you apes here. Alright, so I did see this too. ADTX is up 177%. I have no idea why. Well, they're going to reverse split, but it started squeezing before it even reverse split, so that's really weird. What's this? CFMS. CFMS. Let's check that one out. Clearance for FDA. Okay. So it looks like we may have a play here. Let's check it out. All right. 2732.2732 is the high. All right, I think I'm gonna put an order in here. See if it hits. CFMS. All right, I'm gonna try to get this at 40. Putting an order for 40 right now. There's a lot of shares. Holy crap. All right, let's go for 5,100. All right, order submitted. Hopefully it hits 40. And, yes, hopefully this hits 40, and I get that. Cool. All right, anything else here? Ken wants to know how to play SPY. Yeah, Tencent is good at the options. Buying options, it seems like Tencent's really good at playing those. I'm more of a sell options guy. But yeah, talk on Discord. Maybe just believe Jay Powell when he says, really, guys, I'm going to keep raising rates. Yeah. So he doesn't tell the truth on some things, like inflation is transitory and soft landing and whatever. But he's not lying when he says he's not lying when he says they're committed to stopping inflation for sure. Your YouTube video show Wish advertising in your channel? Really? That's pretty funny. That's hilarious, actually. Yeah, back to trading again? Yes, I'm glad to be back. Although today was pretty rough, but I am glad to be back. I definitely missed this. And I'm glad to be sharing it with you guys. All right, let me just make sure, see if there's anything else here. I'm not seeing much other action, though. All right, so we'll come back to this. But yes, I do have CFMS. I'm trying to see if that hits 40. That'd be nice if it hits 40. All right, cool. Let's get on to crypto now. 1 second. Pull up the articles as well. Yeah, see, ADTX is going nuts right now. And really for no reason. Well, because of the reverse split. But it doesn't make too much sense. Don't forget my articles. Yeah, we'll get to that. Any opinions on AVCT? It's probably done. I may be wrong, but that was definitely an ape. I don't know if I should call it a meme, but definitely an ape play there. Strong momentum. Fundamentally, I don't really know much about it, but it looks done for now. Do you plan to long-term hold it or something? Because I don't think it's a good idea. You know, it's definitely for swing trading. It has these spurts of popping and it pulls back. A Kathy Wood article, I approve. All right, we'll get to that. There will be pain, Jay Powell. The pain is transitory, though. Okay. Crypto time. A lot of YouTubers promoting Luna Classic lately. Yeah, probably all pumpers. I hate pumpers. They should be banned. I hate YouTube pumpers. All right, crypto. So crypto is down 6.56% today. Oh, wrong button. My bad. No, apes did not make money today. Wrong button. I meant to hit the G. Yep. Everything getting wrecked here today. This is really bad. Let's check it out. So Bitcoin down 9%. So still over 20K, but big pullback. That was over 22K. Now we're at 20K again. Ether down 6%. Binance 4.6. XRP 5.4. Cardano 7%. Solana 9%. Doge 5.7. Polkadot 7.4. Polygon 8%. Yeah, Sheeb 5.3. Everything is red here. Avalanche, Ether Classic, everything in the red. Terra Classic's up. That's pretty funny. All right, let's sort this out. Ethereum has some big techie cutover merge thingy. Yeah, they yes. I'm not too big into the tech either, but that is a big catalyst coming up. But honestly, I don't think it's gonna have too much of an effect on the price. It should be priced in, logically. All right, let's start on the green side because not much in the green. So we got, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coins in the green today. Nothing in the double digits. Biggest gainer is Terra Classic. Again, I don't know why that's going up. That's up 7.8% today. And then big drop off from there. Then everything's in like the twos. I don't know why Celsius is up today. But yeah, nothing really in the green today. And the stuff that is in the green is all growth. So, yep, bloodbath here in crypto. Let's check out the red side. So, actually, the price action wasn't too bad on the red side. So, 95% of the coins in the red. But the only coins in the double digits are the Graph and Raven coin. And then everything else is single digits. But it definitely looks like Bitcoin, the biggest coin holding down the market today. But also near protocol Avalanche, a lot of value here on the red side. Wrap, Bitcoin, Solana, everything is pulling it down. But yeah, damn, Bitcoin down 9%. That's really bad. That's like altcoin numbers. So yeah, not good at all for crypto. Not many coins in the green, not much price action. On the red side, price action wasn't too bad, but all the coins in the red here. And a lot of value deep in the red. So, yep, major go today for crypto. And just everything, major go. You need to turn on highlights in CoinMarketCap. They bring back recently added. Oh. I did not know that. Yeah, they don't have the memes, though. I have no idea what this stuff is. Number 1 trending Bitcoin. Why is Sheeb number 3? Interesting. All right, so yeah, there's the crypto market, guys. Disgusting stuff. Hang in there, guys. It'll be all right. All right, let's get into the articles today. So I got 5 for myself here, and then we got some from Low Roller. Sorry, I'm just looking at my quotes here. So I got one article about one crypto article about BitGo and Galaxy Digital, 3 about inflation, which is the big news today, the CPI, and 1 about Twitter. All right, let's do it. First article: BitGo sues Galaxy Digital for over $100 million. So I think we covered this. I'm pretty sure we covered this article or this news a couple weeks ago. I think Galaxy Digital was gonna buy BitGo, but then they pulled out of the deal last minute, and they pulled a Twitter. they pulled a Elon Musk on Twitter. And now, yeah, so the deal was for $100 million, and now BitGo is suing them for $100 million. No, the deal was for $1.2 billion. $1.2 billion, and they're suing for $100 million. So there's not much information here. But yeah, they are taking this to court. I don't really know who's in the right and who's in the wrong here. But yeah. So I'm sure there'll be an update about this, and I'll bring the news to you guys. All right, let's talk inflation. So inflation isn't just about fuel cost anymore, as price increases broaden across the economy. So rather than fuel, it was food, shelter, and medical services that drove costs higher in August, slapping a costly tax on those least able to afford it. So the food at home index has increased 13.5% over the past year, the largest since March 1979. Medical services went up 0.8%, and veterinary care went up 10%. Really? I don't own any pets, but yeah, damn, everything going up here. 10% for vet care? That's crazy. And I think we read something the other day, or like a couple weeks ago, that dental care, I think anything, any type of care, any type of health care is going up. So yeah, gas going down, but food, rent, and healthcare going up. All right, inflation rose 0.01% in August, even with sharp drop in gas prices. So yeah, the CPI went up 0.1%, which isn't that bad, but everyone was expecting a decrease in the CPI. So just a very big surprise. Inflation gauge rose 0.6%. Real average hourly earning adjusted for inflation rose 0.2% for the past month, but still down 2.8% from a year ago. So just some additional information here. And how does this affect Social Security? So the good thing about Social Security is that it's inflation adjusted. So yeah, there could be a record high of Social Security cost of living adjustment in 2023, but if it's not set in stone, three things to watch. The Social Security cost of living adjustment for 2023 could be 8.7%, according to a new estimate. Damn. Well, that would make sense. That's how much inflation is. An increase that high would be the biggest cost of living adjustment in 4 decades, surpassing this year's 5.9% cost of living adjustment. There is still one more month before the official adjustment is announced. Here are all right, whatever. So, yes. Big increase in Social Security because it adjusts for inflation. I mean, I know my mom's going to be happy, and my grandma. So, yeah. Disappointing CPI numbers. That's why the market's getting wrecked today. All right, let me actually pull up the other links real quick. So it was double whammy. 1, inflation went up when we thought it would go down. 2, this is going to go further. This is going to further encourage the pound to rate hikes faster for longer. Yeah, it's not looking good short term, for sure. Probably going to be in a bear market for at least through the middle of 2023, probably through the whole 2023. So not financial advice, but my prediction, we're going to be in this for probably through 2023. Even the Fed said they're probably going to raise rates all the way through 2023. So be prepared, guys. Not looking good. We freaked when we did the 0.7 hike. 0.75 hike. 1% is in the realm of possibility. It's going to happen. I'm pretty sure it will. I remember 0.5% was like, oh my god. Then 7.5 came in. Everyone's like, oh my god. And now it's just becoming normal. What's next? 1.25? All right. Last article here from me. Twitter shareholders vote to approve Elon Musk's bid to buy the company. Twitter shareholders voted Tuesday to approve Elon Musk's $44 billion bid to buy the company and take it private. The vote comes as Musk is seeking to back out of the deal, leading to Twitter suing him for allegedly breaking the agreement. So, yeah, I think they're going to go to court next month and duke it out. But, yeah, they're trying to hold him accountable. They're trying to make him buy the company. And they do have a right to be angry. He literally just messed up the whole company. So yes, we've been covering the story, and next month, when there's more news, I'll be sure to report it to you guys. Did you see CNBC YouTube video? A guy can make $100K a year by walking a dog only. I think I did see that. I didn't see the video, but I saw the article about that. So it's probably like rich clients in like California or something, celebrity clients or something, and probably expensive dogs. I mean, that's pretty cool, but walking a dog your whole life, I don't know. In Beverly Hills, they will pay for anything? Yeah, probably Beverly Hills. Yeah, LA. How much they get Social Security increased by dollars each month? It depends on how much Social Security you have. It's different for everyone. How much money you put in is how much you get out. So if you work your whole life, you get a lot. If not, then you don't get any money. But, yeah, it goes by individual. All right, what we got here? Canada's new opposition leader is a Bitcoiner. Yeah, I did see this, and then Trudeau was, like, mad about this. I think he doesn't like this guy. So, I don't really even know the guy Trudeau. I don't look into Canadian politics. But I would support a Bitcoiner for sure. And I did see Trudeau. I saw an article. He was complaining about this guy. Like, his views on crypto was warped or something. I don't know. So I'm not sure if this is a legitimate candidate or what. I guess he is. He's the opposition leader. So, I'm not really qualified to speak on Canadian politics, but I do like pro-Bitcoin candidates, pro-Bitcoin politicians. Is quiet quitting real? Oh, this is what you're talking about yesterday. Yes, it's real, and it's dumb. Half of U.S. workforce is quiet quitting, and the other half is quitting altogether. Yeah, so we talked about this yesterday. So, I mean, I get it. Work smarter, work less hard for the same money, but it's not going to help you in the long run. Pierre is the best. Is that his name, Pierre? Like I said, I don't know much about Canadian politics, but I think I do know that you don't like Trudeau, Tyler, and you are more conservative, so that makes sense that you would like that guy. I probably would like him too, but I just don't know anything about Canadian politics. All right, Arcs Kathy Wood calls Fed hikes a mistake and preps for a deflate. Bro. Why is my sound effect not working? There it goes.
Bruh. Bruh.
Yeah, there we go. So she's been saying this since the beginning of the year. She's been saying, we're not going to have inflation. We're going to actually have deflation. She's out of her damn mind. Is this lady getting dementia or what? I'm like highly concerned. Because she's just making wrong call after wrong call. And this is just like so absurdly stupid. How is this lady an actual financial professional? I legit think she has dementia or something. I don't know. This is crazy. So you do you, lady. If you want to keep getting wrecked, go ahead. So no, it's not a mistake because we need to fight inflation. Like what do you want? You don't want them to hike, and then you're just gonna let inflation run wild? And where the hell are we getting? Where is deflation? First of all, deflation rarely happens, like very rarely. And why would deflation happen now of all times when inflation is running rampant? Yeah, this lady is out of her mind. I used to respect her, but she's honestly kind of dumb. So I don't know why people would give her any money to invest. She's out of her damn mind. What's this? NBA suspends Suns owner Robert Sarver for a year over workplace harassment and use of racial slurs. He's fined $10 million, and they're gonna donate to gender and race charities. 80,000 documents. Yeah, so I know he did get accused of this, but he was never found guilty of anything. But I guess now they did a formal investigation, and yeah, guy's in trouble now. But then the other guy, Donald Sterling, he got banned from the NBA, right, for using racial slurs. So why is he just getting suspended for a year and not banned for life? Interesting. So yes, this probably deserved. If the recession happens, the quiet quitter will get fired first? Absolutely. And they're going to complain. And then they're going to complain. Then we can't get a job and blah, 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 It's those type of people that just, you can never win. They're always unhappy. The only time I agree with Kathy, I need to unload my bags too. It's more like hopium. She's delusional. She's MK Ultra. What, you think she's in bed with the government? Deflation is good. We can go back under $1 Big Mac, gas, cheaper rent. Even if we did have inflation, it ain't going that cheap. like I said, deflation is very rare. And even if we did have deflation, it's not going under $1. Never again. He said N-word 5 times. He should be banned in the NBA. Yeah, like I said, Donald Sterling said it, right? So, and he got banned for life. So why is this guy not getting banned for life? You know, maybe he's cool with the commissioner or something. All right, so good stuff. That's the articles for today, guys. What time is it? 5 o'clock. So we're on time. Let's very quickly rescan. So anything you guys want to look at? Any charts or anything? Otherwise, we'll just, like I said, we're not going to do a full TA today. We're just going to talk about SPY and Bitcoin. No long video today. So we should be out of here in like half hour, honestly. Yeah, I said hour and a half. All right, so CFMS is not really moving, but hopefully that hits later. Oh, and yes, NRBO is going down aftermarket, but that was one of these crazy reverse split squeezes, and it looks like it's happening to ADTX too. Who said this? I think Swirls was saying that a lot of these reverse splits were starting to squeeze, and I don't know why it is, but yeah, a lot of these reverse splits are mooning to the upside. All right, nothing going on here. Let's do another scan. Yeah, ADTX is mooning right now. So look, it went up 180%, ADTX, before it's going to reverse split. What is actually going on here? Like, actually, what is going on?
What?
Oh, Wen, this is for you. I forgot I had this.
My wife still doesn't believe in me.
I forgot I had that meme. All right, anything else going on here? No, I don't really see anything. All right, we'll keep an eye on this. Yeah, not really any aftermarket action going on. Okay, what are we looking at? Looking at SPY. There we go. AKRO thinking about acting almost slightly red. Yeah, it's the hedge funds pinning it at 29. That's all it is. Like I said, I've seen this over and over. You've seen this over and over. So they're gonna pin it at 29 or 30, do their offering, and then let it, you know, drop. What up, Bub? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you as always. How bad was CPI? It actually wasn't that bad. It was only, it went up 0.1%. It really was not that bad. But it's bad in the sense that everyone thought it was going to be a massive, not a massive, but like a good decrease. Everyone was pretty much expecting, a pretty big decrease in CPI. So it didn't go up that much, but very disappointing, and that's why it went up 0.1%. Not that bad, but thought it was going to be good. Gas went down, everything else went up. Yeah, Tenzin said it right there. So you missed it, but yeah, gas went down, healthcare went up, food went up, everything went up, everything else went up. All right, so we'll do SPY here. All right, so this is insane. This chart on SPY. It's not supposed to look like this. So first we got a gap down. We got a couple of gap downs. Gap down at is this a gap down? It is. So triple gap down, it seems like. 425.5, 421.2, and another one today. 408.5. So triple gap down and double gap up. It was a triple gap up, but now it's double gap up because one got filled today. So yeah, gap ups at 380 and 370. MACD is actually looking kind of bullish. That's kind of weird. RSI is at 41, so not oversold and undervalued, but below average there. So, you know, it's anyone's best guess which way this is going to go. But probably to the downside because of the rate hikes and stuff. So, yeah, terrible day here. Worst day in 2 years. And SPY will have its day again, but unfortunately, it does appear like in the short term, and probably in the long term, like for the next year, it's going to be bearish. So I do expect this to come back down to 370 and 360. Unfortunately, or 380 and 370. So it's kind of neutral actually on the graph, but on the chart. But based on what we know, fundamentally, you know, it's probably it's looking bearish for SPY and the overall markets. Am I missing anything? Don't think so. Other than maybe cup and handle. Maybe a double bottom. Double bottom at 390. Possibly. So yeah, I'm going to say short-term bearish and long-term bearish as well. Well, no, I'm just going to say short-term bearish. I think we're coming back down to 370. At least 380. Not looking good. And let's look at Bitcoin. Oh, we didn't see the channels. Let me go back to SPY real quick. Yeah, and the channels are pretty wide right now. You know, so expect a lot of volatility. Yeah, because back at the 400 range, you know, the channels weren't that wide. But the lower we get, the wider the channels get, which is not good. So, as Joe would say, shout out to Joe. Hasn't been here for a while, but we miss him. Bulls take the stairs up and bears take the elevator down. So definitely taking the elevator down today here. And yeah, very wide channel, so expect, you know, significant price action. And let's look at Bitcoin. All right, so yeah, if it breaks like 19K, channels open up and get wide, but hopefully it doesn't break 19K. And if it breaks 25K to the upside, channels are getting wider, so yeah, RSI 45 right now, so kind of average there. MACD crossing to the downside. Although, there is a gap here, which you can only see on the futures, not the actual Bitcoin chart. But this is the Bitcoin futures chart. I don't know why there are gaps in this chart, but there are. And, well, because the future market does close, actually. That's why. And, you know, at first I ignored them because there really shouldn't be gaps on crypto. But the gaps actually do fill for the futures on the Bitcoin futures chart. So we got a double gap down. 35,180 and 28,740. So bullish indicators there. Looks like cup and handle forming. Top could be 25K. Could also be 32K-ish. So it really shouldn't go too much lower. But the way, you know, the whole market's going right now, it very well could. But it's already gotten beat down so hard. But yeah, long term, it'll have its day again. Short term, it'll probably trade with the market. I think short term it's bullish or bearish as well. And honestly, now would be the time to load up. But I'm not doing it. I'm not buying, holding anything. I'm just trading in this market. Fed rate hikes are next Wednesday afternoon. All right, so get ready for go. You think it's priced in? You think the market's going to price in 0.75 or 1%? Well, you said a 40% chance, right? So I think the market's going to price in 0.75, and if we get 1%, it's going to be good. Key level for me is 390. 391 is the lows from last week, SPY. I mean, we're almost there already. And next stop, 380, and then 370. I think the rate hikes are working. This poor market is getting destroyed. Do people not have faith in USA? Yeah, all things considered, it's not too bad here. Like, if you look at Europe and what they're going through, you know, their inflation is running crazy. They got to deal with energy crisis, war, all this crazy stuff. So we think it's bad here, but in the grand scheme of things, it's not so bad. You know, we got to count our blessings. But yeah, people just don't realize, people don't do that. People don't practice gratitude. So, you know, it's rough, but it's a lot worse in other places. Let's put it that way. And, the rate hikes are starting to work. I don't think we're seeing them in full effect just yet, but they are starting to work. Inflation it didn't go down this time, but it will very soon. I think the market price is 0.75. Agreed. And if they do 1%, go. All right, cool. So, yeah, quick look at Bitcoin and SPY here. So, no real TA today. I normally would do it, but, you know, they're not popular videos, Bitcoin and SPY. So, no long video today. Finally get to take a break for once. All right, cool. So, yeah, quick charts there. Let's do another scan real quick. What's this? Moho and Kern. Got some price action here. Let's look these up. Moho. No news there. Not going for that. Kern. Oh, it's a 420 stock. Don't really know why this is moving. No news or anything, so I'm not going to go for those. Anything else here? EOSE. So you think it's going to go down more? What, the SPY? Yeah, probably, most definitely. Yeah. Rate hikes, you know? Rate hikes incoming. Gaps to fill. Unfortunately, yes. We're going to be stuck in a bear market for the foreseeable future. Probably at least middle 2023. Probably to the end of 2023. Probably another year of this, to be honest. All right, so we're getting some news here on EOSE. All right, let me see if I should make a play here. 229. All right, so I would take this at 320. That's quite a bit away. But I guess I'll put in the order anyway. I don't think it's going to hit. Oops. Alright, quick order. Yeah, I'm not going to put it in. I'll just wait. Alright, cool. Let's get to the Yolos. And where are we at on YouTube? 6 viewers, 20 likes. So thank you guys a lot. I'm not sure if a lot of those are from bots or what. But appreciate everyone.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
And if you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. Alright, so we only got 8 Yolos. So we should be out of here pretty soon. See, I said hour and a half. Looks like we're going to get out of here hour and a half. Alright, let's give this a minute to finish loading. And we'll get started with the Yolos here. How's Acro doing? Holding 29. Holding 29. All right. So still loading, but we'll get started here. All right, guys. So today should be fun. Nothing too serious. Not many YOLOs. We have 8 today. Few memes, some lost corn, and I think 1 gain corn or something. But yeah, nothing too crazy today. YOLOs weren't that good. So let's do it. First one by Naren, the 747 pilot. Inverse. So I actually saw this yesterday. And, you know, turned out to be true. So Cramer said the Fed may be winning against inflation. Yeah, says Jim Cramer. Nope. Totally wrong. Totally wrong here. I don't know why my Stream Deck is lagging now. There we go. I thought when I updated it would fix it. Maybe I need a new Stream Deck. My sound effects keep lagging now. I'll figure it out. So yeah, we saw this yesterday. You know, I said inverse Jim Cramer. Not literally, but, you know, it's the joke. And yeah, Jim Cramer's wrong again. Are you surprised? No, but yeah. I don't know why people listen to this guy. I mean, he's a good personality, but you should not take financial advice from this guy. So yeah, Jim Cramer, wrong again. What's new? Alright, still loading up here. He's entertaining? He is very entertaining. Like, honestly, this show is half inspired by Jim Cramer. I like Mad Money. Definitely a personality. A likable personality. Well, depends what you mean by likable, but, you know, people do find him entertaining. He's good for TV. What was that? Yeah, I got TikTok now. So people liking my TikTok stuff. Yeah, and his sound effects, you know, inspired by Jim Cramer. Alright, next one. Not even gonna try that name. Invest in Nvidia for dividend. Diversification is important. Yep. If you diversify, you'll be okay, right? Says the boomers. And look at this. This is the market today. Total bloodbath. Total bloodbath. I see some green here in this little corner down here. What is this? CF versus BK. I see a little green down here in the corner. Yeah, so this is what happens when you diversify. And all the big tech names are the biggest. Yeah, the tech names. Microsoft, Apple, Google, Amazon. Wow. Tesla, Walmart. So no one is safe. No one is safe from the go. But like Trump, you don't take what he says literally. Yeah. Well, some people do. Some people do, but yeah, you shouldn't. All right. By Marilyn82. Guh. So here's a meme from the Revenant, right? I think it's called the DiCaprio movie, where he got mauled by the bear, and then he had to go, and then he lived in a horse for like a week or something like that. The movie he actually won the Oscar for, the only movie. It's been a while since I saw that movie, but yeah, it's the scene where he gets mauled by the bear. So the bear, CPI, and DiCaprio, my calls. Yo, what up, Busy? Been a while since I've seen you, dude. Welcome back.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Appreciate you, dude, as always. Kramer said Lucid has bottomed. Gonna fall more? Uh-oh. Did he just say that on Mad Money? We can check out Lucid in a second here. So yeah, maybe you wanna sell your Lucid and short it or buy puts. No, I'm totally kidding. I'm half kidding. But I seen you, dude. All right, by Farius Sabretooth. Yup, yeah. So this is today. This summarizes today. Not just the apes, the boomers too. But yeah, apes on life support. Yeah, I think I need a new stream deck. I don't know why my sound effects take so long to load now. There we go. Love how alcohol makes today feel not as bad as it is. Well, yeah, you know, substances would do that, numb the pain, but careful, dude, careful, dude. You know, it's not the best idea to do that, to numb the pain with substances. You know, my substance of choice is 420, and it's, you know, just don't overdo it. But I feel you, dude. I feel you. When everything is dumping, I just flip my screen upside down. There, I fixed it. I think there's some memes like that actually on Wall Street Bets. I quit my nicotine addiction 1 month ago. It's been awesome. Congratulations, dude. Glad to hear that. My sound effects work. Come on. Yeah, I never, were you on cigarettes or, vapes? Because I never did nicotine. I smoked like 1 cigarette in my whole life. And I think I vaped once as well. But, you know, vaping is healthier, but apparently it is more addictive. And it's kind of crazy how all the high school kids do it now. But yeah, you know, that's awesome, dude. Proud of you. Didn't do it as a cure, more coincidence? Yeah. Well, pour one out for the apes. Pour one out for the market. For everyone. Cheers to Jay Powell. And Biden. You did this. You vape cigarettes are gross. Yeah, so, like I said, I never actually really did it much, but apparently vaping is highly, highly addictive. I believe it. Since we are ahead on time, how did your favorite football team do? You weren't here yesterday, dude? We kind of talked about it. So I'm a Jets fan. Clown on me. Give myself the clown for that. I cheer for the Giants, though. So I'm a Jets fan, and they got wrecked by the Ravens, but that's okay. Because I actually bet against them, and I won that bet. So, you know, so I'm rooting for them, but I'm not stupid. So easy bet there. And then for the Giants, I was pretty sure the Titans were going to win. So I put money on the Titans. And somehow the Giants pulled it off, and they actually won. Did you watch it? It was crazy. They beat the Titans. I was like, what the hell? So good for the Giants, but I lost the bet there. And then I also lost the bet on Green Bay and the Vikings. I thought Green Bay was going to win that one. Lost that one. And there's one more. Oh, the Colts and the Colts and Texans, right? Yeah, I think that was the last one. So, yeah, I put money on the Colts, and they went into overtime, and they tied. So, I lost 3 out of 4 bets. Nothing that crazy. I put $20 on each. I used to, like, seriously sports bet, try to win money. Turns out I'm not that good. Not really for me. I'll stick with stocks. But, yeah, I bet for fun now. So, I lost 3 out of 4 bets. Go Chiefs? Yeah, Chiefs are always good. I'm from Kansas and go to the same college Mahomes went to. Yeah. Yeah, he's from Texas, right? Yeah, Texas Tech. Yeah, I remember that. Awesome, dude. Yeah, you know, I wish I could root for a good football team. I wish I wish New York had some good football team. Well, we have Buffalo, but that's not New York City. But yeah, I'll probably root for Buffalo. Newports and Old E for the win. What's Old E? Shows what I know. I think it's cigarettes or a vape. Aaron Rodgers, my fantasy quarterback, not good. Yes, I didn't watch the whole game, but he does not have any help. He does not have any help. They traded Devontae Adams, and you know that was like pretty much the whole offense, and now he's gone. So yeah, not a good outing for Rodgers, and just the way the Green Bay Packers played, it's pretty concerning. Pretty concerning. They couldn't score anything. It was bad. So I don't think the Packers are going to be that good this year. Probably not going to win the division. We'll see though. I'm a Cowboys fan. Lost our game and our quarterback. Yeah, Dak hurt his hand. I saw that. But yeah, it was against Brady, so tough game. But yeah, that's really unfortunate. But you know, he's still playing a weak division. So, well, I guess the Commanders. They're the Commanders now, not the football team. They should have kept football team. It's stuck. They should have kept football team. Imagine the football team won the Super Bowl. But yeah, I think the football team, or not the football team, the Commanders are pretty decent this year. Eagles are pretty decent. Giants not that great, but they did win. But yeah, it's you know, I think the Cowboys are still gonna win the division. They should at least. Weak division. Dak Prescott made out of glass. He does get hurt a lot, yes. Buffalo is Canada's default team. Does Canada watch football? There's a Canadian Football League, I know that, where all the everyone who doesn't make the NFL goes there. CFL. But yeah, it's right there, Buffalo in Canada. I used to live in Syracuse. So used to cheer for Buffalo. I think Buffalo is the favorite to win the Super Bowl this year. Aren't they? Old English 40s. Oh, yeah, I got you. So I'm not much of a drinker either. But back in college, my stupid roommates used to play this game. You guys know this game? Edward 40 hands. So you tape the 40s to your hands, and you can't and you had to down them. You had to finish 2 40s, or you couldn't take the tape off. They would just legit duct tape your hands, and you could not. That was the whole game. Just drink 2 40s, and you couldn't stop, or else they wouldn't cut it off your hands. That was the dumbest thing ever to me. I'm like, are you guys serious? And they were just so pissed drunk after that. Yeah, college was a great time, but that was insane to me. I'm pretty lightweight. I don't know how you drink 2 40s. So I can get y'all distracted back to Yolos. That's all right. We're not doing much here. Almost done. Kids today, in my day, we drank 40s in the alleyway by Smoke Stooges. Yeah, well, I think here in the city, people just buy them from the bodega. They hang out by the bodega and drink them on the corner. They loiter and drink the 40s. But yeah, I'm not much of a drinker or a smoker. My thing is Well, I smoked 420. But never was into cigarettes or alcohol like that. All right, let's go back to this. So let's get to, so that's all the memes. Let's get to some gain corn and lost corn here. So this is by Robert Lemkin 20. I'm a bear, grr. All right, so what do we got here? SPY 420 put expires October 21st. All right, so I don't recommend you guys YOLO this amount of money. I don't care how rich you are. But it can pay off pretty big like this. So 500K YOLO and he's up 276K. So yeah, 56% gain. And he's up to almost 800K now, 766K. I think I need to do Stream Deck. I don't know. Maybe it's just not compatible with OBS because I updated. I don't know. It's pissed me off though. Sound effects have like a few second lag. Anyway. Alright, so I actually do like this play. It's a decent play. It still kind of is an FD, but give yourself a month out, over a month out. 420 strike is, good strike. I like that. Decent expiration. And well timed. So, it wasn't the most risky FD, but still kind of risky, but paid off really big here. So like I said, I don't recommend you guys YOLO 500K into this, but it worked out here. And, yeah, this guy made a lot of money here. It's probably going to keep going down, so congrats to this guy, Robert Lemkin. Well done, well done. Alright, so yeah, congrats to you. Good luck, and please post updates. Here comes a ambulance, gonna talk over it. Alright, by Important Yam 5510. SPY puts YOLO gain corn. Yeah, so, another SPY massive print here, so. A lot of FDs. For tomorrow, Wednesday, September 14th. I don't even know what the strikes are. It doesn't say. Doesn't say what the strikes are. But yeah, got some for the 14th, 16th, and the 23rd. And in total, he's up over 100K. Well, so it looks like a 30K YOLO, and he's up 70K. 75K. Wow. That's like 200% gain, 250% gain. Nice. So I can't really comment. Well, I don't know what the strikes are. And this is a little too risky for my liking. A little too FD for my liking. Don't think you guys should do this, but paid off here. Half luck, half skill. And it should finish, I'm not sure what the strike is, but it should finish in the money. So yeah, enjoy your tendies, dude. Well done, congrats. Alright, this is by Dasher Lau. Call me crazy, but I'm all in Russian roulette style. Alright, so this is true Wall Street Bets DGen ape stuff here. So, SPY 420 call. What's all these 420 stuff? Is it just for the meme? For the 420? 200 SPY 420 calls. So 18K YOLO, expiring this Friday, September 16th. 18K YOLO right now is up 6K. The sound effect stuff is pissing me off. Yeah, when he bought those SPY was at 411. He's not in the green anymore. Yeah, this was 20 hours ago. So this was on Friday. All right. All right, let's see what it's worth now. let's see. I got to increase the strikes here. All right, SPY 420 call. 4 cents. All right, $4. Comes a siren, guys. Gonna talk over it. My bad. All right, so all right, so it was worth $90 when he bought them. Now they're worth $4.
And it's gone.
All right, so 200 times 4, so it's worth $800 now. All right, so yeah, 18K YOLO. He was up 6K. Now he's now it's only worth $800. Absolutely disgusting. So yeah, you should have cashed out, dude. Should have cashed out. So all you got left is $800. SPY is not going to 420 by Friday. Well, highly unlikely. So yeah, dude. So all around pretty terrible. Bad strike, bad expiration, bad timing. Well, he timed it decently, but you know, just diamond-handed for too long. So totally deserved this. Totally deserved this. This is like super FD. And what'd you expect, dude? So at this point, you got $800 in value. Hey, that's something. That's still, you know, good amount of money. You should probably just cut it and I don't know, buy yourself a nice. Treat yourself to something nice. Make yourself feel better. So yes, Dash your loud. Thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Not really. Totally your fault, but great content. Yeah, dude. Hope it was worth it. You're famous now. Yeah, so should probably cut at this point. But no matter what happens, good luck to you. And please post an update. All right, last one. By Clanky Aura. We sold one of our houses, and this is what became of it. Okay. So it's a 50K house? 50 Canadian dollar house. I don't know what that is in a US, but that's a pretty cheap house. 50K? Probably a small house in the middle of nowhere. So, yes. 50K, and now it's worth 15K, so there goes 35K. And it looks like these were FDs, based on the chart here. You shouldn't be losing money like this, unless you're just YOLOing over and over. So, hey, look on the bright side. You still got one, at least you still have a house. But yeah, guys, well, I guess they didn't take a loan. But you should probably not sell your house and YOLO it, or take a loan and YOLO it. 50K Canadians, like 20 American. Sounds about right. Where's my memes at? Yeah, so RRP to your house, or your bank account, your brokerage account. Like I said, at least you still have a house. Yeah, 34K loss scored here. All right, cool. So that's all the YOLOs. What time is it? 5:40. All right, so let's finish up. Let's do a quick scan, and we'll do Lucid for Busy. And anything else, guys? Questions, comments, concerns, charts, anything? Let me know right now. We'll get to that. Otherwise, that's it for the show. All right, nothing really happening here. Yep, don't see anything. Let's scan Thinkorswim real quick. $38K US dollar. What house is 38K? It's like a one-bedroom house in the middle of nowhere, in what do you call that in Canada? Those regions nobody lives in. Up north. What house are you buying for 38K? That's insane. I wish. Mobile home? Yeah, that would do it. Mobile home, yes. Yes. I think mobile homes are worth more than that, actually. Yeah, maybe an RV? I don't know. All right, what's this? RVLP. RVLP. Nope. All right, nothing going on here. All right, so let's get Lucid. So I did switch my account, so I don't have support and resistance here. All right. There's not much going on here. Not many indicators. So RSI is at 47, so pretty average RSI, a little bit below average. So about, 16 current price 16.10, around fair market value. The MACD is going to the upside, about across the signal line, so that's bullish. And short and long term cup and handles. So in the short term, this could come back up to 20 or 21, 20.5 or 21.5. And a longer term could come back up to 28, 45, and the high 57. Yeah, so there's not too many indicators here. But I don't really see any bearish indicators, just a few bullish indicators and neutral indicator in the RSI. So I'm going to say slightly bullish. It looks slightly bullish in the short term and, bullish long term. But yeah, there's not too many indicators here other than the cup and handle and MACD. But yeah, I don't think you can go too wrong here at the current price, $16. Average entry. What is the app using to trade tie? Well, the app here is Thinkorswim, TOS, TD Ameritrade. I don't actually use this app to trade though. I use the app for research, just for charting, because Thinkorswim by far has the best charting, the best tools and stuff. But so I do my research and my charting on Thinkorswim, and then I use IBKR, Interactive Brokers, to actually execute the trades, because they by far have the best execution. They get you the shares when no one else has them. Let's put it that way when you short. So I use IBKR to execute the trades. And most pros do use IBKR because it's just way better than every other platform when it comes to executing trades. But when you want to do research and chart, Thinkorswim is the way to go, which is the same thing as TD Ameritrade. So if you have TD, then just download TOS, Thinkorswim, and start using this instead of the regular app. Not sure what you use, but yes, I think I think these two are essential: Thinkorswim and IBKR, if you really want to take this seriously. Okay, guys, so that's all I got for today. So I said hour and a half. We went hour and 45. That's fine. It's a really chill show. We didn't really cover much. We just chilled, So nice to kick it with you guys. After a brutal day, nice chilling with the boys. So hope you guys enjoyed that. I enjoyed. A few articles, no TA, and some fun Yolos. So there's gonna be no video tonight, no long video. I'll make the short video very shortly, coming up here. But all right, let me check where we're at on YouTube. 4 viewers, 21 likes. All right, so most people are gone. All right, guys, so I think that's it. Appreciate everyone. Hopefully tomorrow's better. We'll see. And yep, that's all I got. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out, everyone. Yeah, catch you guys in Discord. All right, let's get out of here. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Yeah, peace out, everyone. Tyler, Koya, Busy, 1010. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.